In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the main language on Wix. This is a really useful setting to know, especially if you're building a site for visitors who speak a different language, or if you just want your own editing experience in a language you're more comfortable with. I'll walk you through the process step by step on the Wix dashboard, and by the end, your site's main language will be updated and ready to go. First, go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, where you manage everything from your design to settings and apps. On the left-hand side of this dashboard, you'll see a vertical menu. This menu holds all the key areas of your site, such as your site overview, apps, marketing tools, and more. What you want to do here is scroll down this left-hand panel until you find the option called Settings. It might be a little lower on the list, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just keep scrolling until it appears. Once you see Settings, click on it. After you click into Settings, you'll be taken to a page with several different sections that control how your site behaves. Here, you want to scroll down again until you find a section called Language and Regions. This is where Wix groups all options related to language and regional settings, such as your site language and location-based preferences. Click on Language and Regions to open it. Inside the Language and Regions area, look at the very first section at the top. This is called Site Language. This setting controls the main language of your site's interface and certain default text that Wix uses. You'll see a drop-down field here showing the language that's currently set as the main language. Click on that drop-down field and a list of available languages will appear. Take your time to scroll through and find the language you want to switch to. When you see the language you prefer, click on it to select it. As soon as you choose a new language, look to the top right corner of the screen. A Save button will appear, prompting you to confirm the change. Click on Save. After a moment, you should see a small notification pop up at the bottom center of your screen, confirming that your changes were saved successfully. And that's it. Your main language on Wix has now been updated.